upbeat music playing in the background? Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all the comparisons you didn't know you needed. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning tools. Yes, you heard that right. We're comparing the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop with the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. Because who doesn't want to turn their home into a sauna while cleaning? Cut to visuals of both products on the screen. On the left, we have the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop, priced at just $99. And on the right, the Waitbird Steam Cleaner, coming in hot at $139. That's right, folks. One's a bargain, and the other's a slightly more expensive date. Let's see who gets to clean your house today. Let's kick things off with the price. The Steam & Go is like your frugal friend who still manages to throw a great party, $99. Meanwhile, the Waitbird is like that friend who always orders the most expensive thing on the menu, $139. Reviewers have noted that the Steam & Go offers great value for its price, especially for families with kids, while the Waitbird is praised for its quality and effectiveness, justifying its higher price tag. So if you're on a budget, you might want to swipe right on the Steam & Go. But wait, the Waitbird claims to be all natural, so it's basically a fancy organic salad, right? Now let's talk functionality. The Steam & Go claims to be a 10-in-1 monster. It's not just for floors, folks. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning, handles tile, grout, curtains, couches, basically everything except your ex's emotional baggage. Reviewers have highlighted its versatility and effectiveness on multiple surfaces, making it a favorite for daily cleaning tasks. Now the Waitbird has a large capacity tank and 21 accessories. That's right, 21. Reviewers appreciate the variety, noting that it performs excellently on tough jobs, but some wonder if they really need that many attachments. It's like the cleaning tool version of a multi-talented celebrity. But let's be real, do we really need 21 attachments? I can barely figure out how to use my toaster. Let's move on to steam temperature. The Steam & Go heats up to a sizzling 356 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than my last date. Reviewers rave about its quick heating and strong steam output, perfect for tackling messes. But the Waitbird takes it down a notch, heating up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. While it may not be the hottest option, users still find it effective for a range of cleaning tasks. So if you're looking for a steamy relationship, the Steam & Go is definitely the hotter one. Safety first, right? The Waitbird comes with a built-in child safety lock. So if you have kids or pets, you can clean in peace. Reviewers appreciate this feature, noting it provides peace of mind. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go is like that rebellious teenager. It's durable and ready to party, but might not have all the safety features you want. Just don't let it near the kids. Or you might end up with a steam-powered version of Lord of the Flies. And how about usage time? The Waitbird boasts up to 45 minutes of continuous steam cleaning. That's enough time to deep clean your entire house or binge watch a whole season of your favorite show. Reviewers love the long usage time, which allows for extensive cleaning without frequent refills. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go, well, they didn't mention how long it lasts, so it might just be a one-hit wonder. Kind of like that band you loved in high school. Some users have expressed concerns about its runtime, but many still find it effective for shorter cleaning sessions. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability and versatility, making it a great choice for families. On the other hand, the Waitbird Steam Cleaner shines with its safety features and extended cleaning time, appealing to those who prioritize quality and performance. So after all this steam-filled fun, Which one should you take home? If you want versatility and a solid price, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 is your guy. But if you're looking for something with a bit more pizzazz and safety features, the Waitebird might be your steamy soulmate. Remember, folks, whether you choose to steam or not, always do your research and buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to make a better purchasing decision. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun. Upbeat music fades out as the video ends.